Hey there, I'm Britt.
And I'm Heather.
And this is The Beach Show, your only internet TV show all about real estate on Panama City Beach and beyond.
Stick around.
Beachy Beach.
Today, we're over at one of my favorite neighborhoods in Panama City Beach, overlooking a golf course,
Yes.
Colony Club, great big sprawling ranch home with lots of potential, lots of opportunity to kind of make it your own,
Absolutely.
remodel. What do you like about this home, Heather?
You know, I love the space. There's so much space for everyone to have their own place, but together time as well, because you can have it all in one area. You've got this beautiful outdoor space with a pool overlooking the golf course. Man, you can't get this every day.
Yes, and did you notice there's a Florida room that overlooks the pool and the backyard that's attached to one of the master suites? A big challenge we have right now is a lot of people want a master or owner suite on the first floor. Because a lot of homes at the beach are 2 and 3
Multi-level,
stories.
yes.
So to get this, the space in a ranch is great. You not only have one master suite, but you have two. So it's a 3-bedroom home, but then there's additional space. There's a formal dining room. There's a bonus room off the big living area.
There's so much space.
Right, and there's also a little office at the front. Lots of patio space on the outside. Oversized laundry room.
Yeah, I was about to say that.
That leads into the garage that has a ramp that's ADA compliant. So I think they've thought of everything. The downfall of this house is there does need to be some updating. So this is going to be someone who wants a project, who has vision, who sees the potential, who imagines the colors that they're going to paint it. And
Right on the beach.
yes, and that it's in Panama City Beach with no HOA, you guys.
Yes.
So if you want to get in to this beautiful neighborhood of Colony Club, it's priced under $700,000. We would absolutely love to show you this home.
So for more information, look in the description below, grab that listing link for all of the extra details.
And make sure you don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, thebeachshow.com. Ring that bell. Don't miss out on any future deals like this one.